Introduce highlight features or overview summary for MAVPAWIY under desk treadmill, 2.25 HP folding walking pad treadmill for walking and jogging, 300 pounds weight capacity. Quiet treadmill with remote control, LED display. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Preset training mode, choose from 12 preset programs, P1 to P12, with speeds ranging from 0.5 to about 4 mph for an effective total body workout at home. The 2.25 HP powerful and quiet motor ensures the foldable treadmill runs quietly, which means you won't disturb anyone. Strong core, the treadmill features a sturdy steel frame that can hold up to 300 pounds. The layered construction ensures maximum stability, so you can enjoy your workout without worry. Multi-function display, track speed, time, distance, and calories burned on the LED display console. Equipped with a remote control and remote control holder, when not using the remote control, you can put it in the remote control holder. Manual incline adjustment, the treadmill can be adjusted for incline, which can simulate the real feeling of running uphill outdoors. The treadmill has a built-in Bluetooth speaker that allows you to enjoy music while exercising, providing you with a relaxing exercise environment. Easy to move and store, relying on the space-saving design. The flat slim treadmill is only 50.4 x 22.4 x 5.4 inch thick and can be easily placed under your work desk, bed, or sofa with the built-in wheels. And you can also unfold the support frame to place the treadmill upright against a wall or in a corner, which is very convenient. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.